Hey everyone, it's your friend Maximus and welcome back to more Roblox, but today I'm going to be playing Theme Park Tycoon 2 and I am in a tutorial for now. Welcome to Theme Park Tycoon 2. Let us get started with your first park. Click the rides button at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so rides, okay, and what do I have to press? Teacups? Teacups? Why are these people here if there isn't even one single ride? Oh, even better, they are moving in circles. Okay, okay, entrance, I think. And what about exit? Where's my exit? Exit there. So we go to paths. Q paths. There, boom. And then normal paths, and you go boom, boom, boom. Close the path menu, okay? And I want to, oh, come on, I cannot, come on. I want to finish. Oh, I forgot to close. Open. $10. You may reduce the entry cost. Cannot do this during the tutorial. No. Close. I want to close. Come on. Build a soft drink stall. Okay. So right. Boom. You have completed the getting started tutorial. It is recommended to build more ideas and stalls to expand your park. Okay. I had something I wanted to fix. Yes, here. Why is there only one path when you enter? So the paths was paths and 1 and 2. Okay, good. Perfect. What is this here? Do I know? Like this park. Cannot like because I'm the owner. 18! Okay, I'll reduce that to 10. No, let's do it to 11. I reduced, I think, $7. Okay. What's here? Hello. I didn't hire you, first of all. Okay, let's build more stalls because I'm getting hungry here. So that's one. That's a burger. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for now. Oh, we already have 1.5 stars. Oh, pretty good. See there, it's over there. Okay, the goal of this video is trying to get 1 star. Let's see what rides may we have first. No, intense rides. Okay. Swinging ship. Okay, swinging ship, I want it. Okay, how much does it cost? 8,500. I have 8,575. Okay, let's put it here. Good. Perfect. Let's put the entrance. Let's put the entrance there and the exit here. And let's open it and let's reduce it. Let's make it to $10. 10 is enough. Good. Oh, no, you cannot. It's not open anymore. Where my paths? Oh, Q paths. Also, let's just do this. Okay, the exit is ready. You may only use the exit. That's so funny. It's like only one path and there will be people fighting. I have to go on the right. No, I have to go to the left. It's my ticket. I have to go. Imagine how funny would that be. Okay, it's open, isn't it? Yes, it's open. Thoughts. I want to ride the swinging ship. Why are they passing on the exit? Yes, you're good. Good boy. Go. I want to ride it, actually. I'm curious. Sit down. Come on, let's go. Oh, you're joining. Oh, pretty good. No, I don't want. Whoa! The swinging ship is massive. It's extreme massive. Okay. How was the teacups? I have to change. How was my teacups? $10. What about the tots? Teacups is extremely cheap. I'm excited for teacups. Okay. Let's go and continue. You may change the colors. Ooh. Okay, so 1, 2. Why is it 4? I didn't order for 4, so delete it. Destroy. Okay, so if you buy and you destroy it, you get the money back. That's good. I love this game for now. I want to see which other updates they will give me. Let's build more stalls. What? There are other stalls? Restroom. Yes, we need restrooms. You cannot end up here without restrooms. Oh, come on. I'm ending up without money. Come on. I need money here. Cannot just build without money. 1 star, yes, guys. 1 star. Isn't that great? Okay. So let's go back. Let's just go once like that. Whee! Yoo-hoo! Jump! Yay! This is so much fun. It's like you may just stay. You may be lazy until the people get up they give you the money. That sweet money. Okay, let's go. Whee! Auto saving. How long is this actually? Ooh, no, that's too late. Too late. Yee! Oh, yes. Yay! Yeah! Tunnel! Whee! Oh, this mine? Is this mine? Is this mine, actually? Yes, it's mine. And we're back. Okay, we're back. We have 433, and when I was on that, like, highway, I'll call this my highway, it was still on 200. Okay, you know what? I'll finish this video here. Well, guys, and that is it for Park Tycoon. If you guys would like to see more Park on my channel, then like this video. Let's hit this to 15 likes. And if you're new here, then consider subscribing. And turn on the post notification bell to never miss my videos. And then I'll see you in the next one. Of course, stay safe. Good line.